What's good, YouTube? The Car Boys back here with another legendary video today, man. Today we got a video because I got a new mod for the goddamn Police Pursuit 392, man. So just stay tuned for that. But before we get into the video, make sure y'all hit the subscribe button, turn on your boy post notifications to be notified every time I upload a new video. Because I'm still dropping. I took a little break again because I had to like stack up some money and shit. Because I told y'all I had just moved. I had finished the 392 for the most part. So goddamn, I had to stack up some more money again, been working, so goddamn, that's what I've been doing. But yeah, we getting mods in, and we got a new mod today, man. So yeah, hit that subscribe button, turn on my post notifications so y'all never miss a new video, man. But yeah, I think I'm gonna go ahead and head back to the house because I'm gonna show y'all what I got for the interior of the 392 Police Pursuit, man. So let's go ahead and head to the house, and let's get to installing this thing. So let's get it, man. All right, y'all, so this is what I got in the mail today, man. We're going to go ahead and open this up. I already don't open it, but yes, man, we are doing the Starlight kit today, man. We're going to get this thing up and jumping. Sorry, I can't use the 0.5 right now because my camera lens don't got scratched, so it's going to have to do with the regular standard view for right now. So, yeah, here's the motor for the Starlights. God dang. We got two kind of different connectors. So if you wanted to connect this straight to the battery with a like with a fuse or something, or yeah, with a fuse, or you can hook it straight to the cigarette lighter. This is probably the way I'll go, but I have to get an extension that extend it all the way to the front of the car so it can hook up to the cigarette lighter. So I'm gonna have to see if I can find one of those today. If not, we'll be using Amazon Prime because they just dropped me of $10. No cap. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and go outside and go ahead and get to the process of removing this headliner. It's not too bad. All you gotta do is just pull off the window visors. Matter of fact, I'm gonna just show you guys. Let's go out there to the car, man. Let's go ahead. So I'm gonna try this 0.5. It might be a little glare or something. Don't mind that, man. It's just a little crack in the little lens and shit. But yeah, so basically we're gonna start off by removing this top part, this visor. This visor is not installed because I didn't have the pieces. We're gonna remove that handrail and pull these down. I just bought another one of these from the pull apart today. So pull these down. The one in the back is already pulled, and pull that one down back there. And after that, you can pull the headliner straight down. You can fold it out the rear door right here. Fold it out the rear door. And yeah, man. So I'm gonna go ahead and get to pulling this stuff down and see how long it takes me. So let's go ahead and get to work, man. This shit ain't gonna do itself like I always say, man. Save yourself some money. You do it yourself, save yourself some money, man. Don't be going to pay these people when you can do it yourself, man. People just don't be wanting to do stuff themselves. You gotta do it yourself. Do it. When you do it yourself, you feel way better about it. I'm telling you, do it. All right, y'all. Oh, hold on. That glare, I forgot about that. As y'all can see, got the headliner drop, got everything dropped, got the visor hanging, all the other stuff is over there in the seat. Everything's pulled out. So now what I got to do is unhook this visor from the electrical connections and yeah, fold this thing and get it on out. So let me go ahead and get to doing that, man. So yeah, let's get it. And just like that, man, the headliner is out. Look at that. Yeah. We about to get to it. I'm about to take this thing in the house. I gotta take off this this sound deadening. And then yeah, I'm gonna go get some thumbtacks and we're gonna start making these 500 holes for these Starlights, man. It's really that simple to do this shit. Like, people just really don't understand that. So yeah, that's why I'm showing y'all. So we're gonna take this in the house, get the sound deadening off the back, and we're gonna get started, man. So let's go ahead and get in the house. All right, y'all. So I ain't gonna lie, me and my girlfriend really just got to it and got to work, and you feel me, headliner already back in, pieces snipped, you feel me? So hold on, that glare, I told y'all about that earlier, my bad. But yeah, man, as y'all can see, headliner is back in, pieces are snipped. I gotta still snip that one piece right here, but yeah, headliner's in. You can still kind of see that damn glare, that crack in my screen, my glass. But yeah, headliner's in, Starlight's in. Here's the connection for it coming off at this side right here. Basically what we did was I pulled the headliner down. Once I got it in the house, what I did was I went to the dollar store, got 500 count of push pins, like I forgot what's the other term for those, but push pins. Got those. We did that all over the top of the headliner. After we did that, to put the fiber optics in one by one. And yeah, man, now I got the headliner back in. I snipped all the ends, and now I just got to go to AutoZone and grab an extension for this 12 volt. And yeah, man, we're gonna plug it right into the center console, and the Starlight should be turned on here soon. I might give y'all a little night POV type shit. And don't worry about my window busted out right there. No, nobody tried to steal my shit. My bitch did that. But yeah, there the window. We gonna fix this right there. Don't worry about that. But yeah, man, we gonna see about these stars tonight, man. I'm gonna catch y'all when it get dark, man. Or no, I'm gonna catch y'all when we get to AutoZone. But yeah, stay tuned for when it get dark. Night POV with the stars. Let's get it, man. All right, y'all boys. We done made it over here to the AutoZone, man. I'm about to see if I can find what I'm looking for. I'm looking for the car cigarette lighter extension, man. So yeah, let's see if we can find it. So this is what I end up finding, and it's the wrong thing, man. This is a double outlet. I just need the extension, man. So I don't know what the fuck I'm gonna do, because I need that extension and they don't got it. I don't want a wire, so we finna see, man. We about to come up with a solution here soon, so I check back in with y'all when I got a solution. So this was my solution. I got some butt connectors and I got some wiring. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut that 12 volt connector back there, and I'm gonna just extend it so it'll be able to reach all the way up here. So I'm gonna get to going ahead and doing that. I don't feel like recording it. All it is a positive and a negative wire. I know which is which, so I'm not really worried about the color. So yeah, let me go ahead and get that done. So, cause it's already, as you can see, the sun is setting. So let me go ahead and get that done. So yeah, y'all can go ahead and see these stars, man, cause I'm ready to see them myself. I just spent all day putting that shit in the headliner. So yeah, I'm ready to see it myself, man. So let's get it. So I don't got everything wired up, as you guys can see. So right now is really finna be the moment of truth. I think I gotta turn it on accessory for this outlet to work, but I'm gonna go ahead and plug it in right now. Sorry for my goddamn dirty car, man. You know, nigga be busy, man. Straight like that. But goddamn, hold on. All right, she is connected. Let's turn it on accessory. Oh, where's my key? Accessory mode. Oh yeah, she on. Oh shit, y'all. Oh fuck. Oh shit. Oh shit, y'all. Oh shit, nigga done snapped again. Oh shit. Nigga done snapped again on there. I swear to God, nigga done snapped again. Oh shit, the POVs is bad, bro. Word. Ooh, I done snapped again. I told y'all, boy, I'm really like that when it comes to this shit, bro. Like, word, bro. Yeah, we back in action, man. So yeah, we're gonna get a little nighttime POV when my girl get back. And yeah, man, we're gonna wrap this video on up. So I'm gonna catch y'all when my girl get back. All right, y'all, that's gonna wrap it up for today's video, man. I greatly appreciate it if you tuned in, if you enjoyed the video, man. More mods on the way, like I said. I've been working, so we ordering more and more mods. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, turn on your boy post notifications to never miss a new video, because I'm consistently still dropping, man. So let me know what y'all think in the comments what the next mod may be, because we got a whole bunch of stuff in that cart. So just let me know what you think the next mod gonna be. I still need to get side skirts. I still need new wheels, stuff like that. So just let me know. Oh yeah, and as y'all can see, I'm in the process of starting to paint everything. So yeah, bumpers are getting painted, body work is getting done. Yeah, the car is coming around, man. Mechanically, the car is sound. All we working on now is like the aesthetic stuff. So yeah, man, y'all just let me know. Like I said, y'all knew that fender was once red. Now it is gray. So y'all let me know what the next mod gonna be. And yeah, man, I think I'll just catch y'all in the next one. My J out. Peace.